Some people buy islands with this. Me, I buy countries. This is just my walking around money. Charming, as always. What if money could be ridiculous?
This is ridiculous.
Exactly, more ridiculous.
You're impossible.
I'm rich. Goldie, my dear, what's the secret to success?
It's simple, Rich. Don't buy things that make 0 sense. But others, they spend their money on the most ridiculous things.
Goldie, check this out. Art on a yacht.
Rex, it's a banana taped to a wall.
Like this selling for millions?
Millions for fruit and tape?
Hey, I'd buy it.
You would.
Welcome to the life of ridiculous riches.
Where every day is a punchline.
And I'm the king of the cast slide.
And I'm the queen of the one-liners.
Let's show them how Rich.Ridiculous. Where money gets insane.
And the company is divine,
Insanely good, darling.
as always.
Welcome to my world of luxury. I'm Mr. Rich Rex, and this is my empire.
And people get ridiculous.
Goldie, you're a riot. And don't you forget it. From smart investing, the key is reading the charts. And ignoring them, apparently.
Exactly! This meme explains it perfectly. I see the crash coming.
Only if you're not me. Goldie, with my billions, money is no object.
Famous last words, Rex.
Whoa, my money! Epic money fail, Rex. We explore the wild side of wealth. Building wealth? Easy. You just need a great idea and a cigar.
Right. And a trust fund, I presume?
Details, details.
Try hard work and investing.
Welcome aboard my private jet, Goldie.
It's about time. The last one was so last season.
And here's the mansion.
It's not the biggest, but it will do.
The best is yet to come. Look at these charts. Green is good.
And red means stop, Rich.
Nonsense. It just means buy the dip.
Right. What could go wrong?
Exactly. Simple. My instincts are never wrong.
Except for that investment. That was very wrong.
Very wrong. It was a brilliant move.
Right. And the market crash was just a coincidence.
Exactly.
Some stories are shocking.
Some are just great.
Present company included, I presume?
Exactly. That's why I'm the best.
And the most modest.
My life, private jet, caviar, the usual.
Normal? Rush hour traffic and ramen?
I own the road in my limo.
Must be nice. I have bus fare. And I walk.
This meme is hilarious. You're gonna love it.
Step 1.
Make money. Step 2, question mark. Step 3, profit. Get it?
I get that it's absurd and funny guy.
See, you laughed and learned. Insane money, the ultimate thrill ride.
Darling, money makes the world go round.
That's right, no more boring days.
It's all about the excitement now.
Insane money, the best entertainment. We simplify money for everyone.
Our approach is accessible and trustworthy.
We handle the complexity so you can focus on your goals.
It's that simple.
Value is simple. No complicated jargon. It's like a sandwich. The more you want it, the more it's worth.
Supply and demand, but tasty.
Exactly. And trust seals the deal. You know, Goldie, it's not about the money.
Oh?
Then what is it, Rich? It's the real stories that build trust.
Just real stories.
Exactly. The ones that connect. Real lessons in value and trust.
This should be good.
Look, the graph proves it. Numbers can lie, Rich. Not these. Trust the process.
I'll trust my gut.
Goldie, with my billions, we can have it all.
Money can't buy class, Rich.
Who needs class when you have fun?
Real fun is priceless.
And real fun. Want more crazy money stories?
The adventures are wild.
Hit subscribe more.
You know you want to.
Don't miss out.
Subscribe now, darlings.
The bell is ringing. You know what to do.
Hit that subscribe button. Don't be slow.
And smash the bell for updates, champ.
You won't regret it. Promise.
Do it now. Don't miss out. All right, Goldie, what's the big announcement?
New videos every day, week. Every day and every week. That's incredible. So subscribe, like, and comment.
You heard the lady. Do it now. Don't miss the madness.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
This is how I roll.
Epic.
Madness is right. Don't miss the next one. All right, folks, time for the grand finale.
The part where you beg tension.
Exactly. Hit subscribe, like, and share from Insane Money. Crazy stories.